Umintri rangba Khuborjylla ukonrat ke Sangma, menta ke Sngi ula Plie pa ek police station ke Thymmai ha Jengjal West Ïaroh Hills harangkat ke Jingeh donlang ke DJP kong ida shisha nongrang nalor ki hek sorkar bat kiwe. Habakren negeni ke Sngi umintri rangba ula ong begetei ke police station kan ai ke jing syakri ke bapaka tam kam tam ban wan lam ye ke jing shngan bat ke suk kesan jong kinong shnong. Ulo ongru bagi Pulit wat Hapdeng bun ki Jingeh Henry ki pendap ialah ke kamram ban pentik kena ya ke suk kesan hakeleng ki benta jong Khuborjylla.
General room, your OC's room, etc. But we also have what we are now mandated to have: a child-friendly room, a separate area for the women help desk, and hopefully we will be able to serve the people of Jengjal much better as we move forward. I would like to place on record here our greatest appreciation and gratitude to our visionary leader in our Chief Minister in all his support and his guidance towards the Meghalaya Police Department. And he knew that my husband was a forest officer, and there was a very strong possibility that pet miner would be taken from him. So then he flushes very red and he says, "Madam," he was a khasi officer, "Madam, Tangba, what do you tell me, sir? Don't tell your husband." I said, "Sure, why? What have you got?" Then he brings out this pet miner, and can you believe it? This pet miner had all the words.
This is built from the Plie fund only?
No, sir, this is from
additional. That's the police station.
We need that, sir.
Yeah.
There was a custodial valley. It was custodial just like a in the bathroom. So that's why we moved after.
Okay. So we are here in Jengjal in West Ïaroh Hills, and you can see this beautiful new building behind me. This is a modern police station, and we're so happy that this has been inaugurated. And just for the information of our citizens, that this police station has been made as per the standards that have been laid down by Government of India. So this is one of the most modern as well as full facilities and infrastructure police station in the entire state, and we are hopeful that slowly we'll be able to replicate this model and have this in other parts of the state also.